Hi guys, welcome to dynamic modeling of cities. Today we are gonna use modifier Morph and VolSelect. Means change smoothly from one image to another image by small gradual steps, which means use of modifier Morph is to change the shape of a mesh, patch or NURBS model. It can control unlimited morph targets. Small openings are being controlled by this pair. Let's dive into making this parametry twisty building using Morph and VolSelect. Okay, before we start a model, we need to set up a unit setup. I need to work in meters, so meters, that's okay. Now we'll start by making a building. So select box, make a box. I will take 40 by 30 by 100 meters. Maybe I'm gonna divide my height into 30 parts in order to see the segments. Just left click on default shading and select edge faces. Your segments will be seen. Maybe width I want to give 10 seems fine, and maybe length 15. This also seems fine to me. I will change the topology of the building. So for that, right click, convert to editable poly. Okay, select edge, and I will select one of the edges from here. We need to have a modeling panel over here. If you don't have modeling panel, just go here on workspaces, alt menu and toolbar, select it, and you will have your modeling panel over here. Open polygon modeling. I want to generate a topology on the face of the building. So here I'm going to take edge direction. This seems really fine for me, so I'll just close this and again get back to normal default mode. Okay, now in the modifier list, add editor poly. Here what I am gonna do is, for this topology I want to have a thickness, and I want to delete the rest mesh part of the building. I'm gonna select whole polygon. I'll just widen the screen. Next, I want to record whatever I am working on, so just click on animate. And now I want to give thickness to the mesh, so to each polygon. So I will inset, I will increase this. We can't see any sort of thickness coming up. That's just because we are in group inset. Now change it to polygon inset. We are able to see, I think 1.5 looks better, and I have selected it. Now I want to delete the rest of the part of building and just keep so here I'm gonna select delete mesh. So here you can see that the building is deleted, the mesh is deleted, and only we are left with our skeleton with thickness given to it. Next step is we need to add again edit poly. And now I want to morph this size. So basically again I will add Morpher modifier. Just go slide down, we'll have the modifier Morpher over here. Select it, and now I will select an empty set of target in this channel. So I'm selecting this. Here I'm capturing the current state, and here I will write maybe opening 1 and accept. Okay, now again I want to add one more, so go back to the edit poly, and again inset, and again increase maybe, and just write 0.8. This seems really very good for me, this opening. And again I'm going back to Morpher and even capturing this target, this opening of the mesh, going to second, capture this opening 2, accept. Now I'll go back. Here you can see that our Morpher have captured. Let's go to edit poly and select our vertices. This vertex, maybe this vertex, maybe this vertex seems fine for me. And here I'm going to use soft selection. Now you can see that these are selecting the paths near the vertices which I have selected. Now again I'll go to Morpher, and now you can see that only the areas selected are having the openings in changing manner. So I'll keep this to 100, and even we can increase this openings and everything by changing the selection fall off. So here you can increase, so you're getting nice quite looking openings on your facade of the building. This looks really nice. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to have a sphere which will control all this morph targets. So to do so, just click on the screen and deselect everything. Now I'll just go and create a sphere. A sphere maybe here. Now what I'll do is I will select this object, this box, and I will apply a modifier VolSelect. So yeah, in this what I'm gonna do is I will select this volume, and I will select this sphere, and I am linking my sphere with the buildings. So here select by mesh, click on none and click the sphere. Now here again stack selection by vertices. Now again open the use soft selection tool. You can see that they are attached, they are synced. Although these are synced, we are not able to find a morph on the object, it is just because we need to drag down volume select. Yeah, here we go. We can see our object having the openings in relation with the sphere. Now maybe I'll just increase the fall off. This seems really good to me. Now here you will be able to see that there are openings on the surface. How I move my sphere, the openings are also changing. Just add the material. Maybe I'll just add a red material. Here we go, we got the good and jiggly wiggly looking building. Maybe even you can play here with a different selection. In the volume select, you can go and invert. Okay, now here you can see that our building is in the selection is inverted, so we are getting huge openings at the lower part and we are getting very small openings at this part. This seems really working. Now I want to add in thickness to this building, in this skeleton. So edit poly again, and then add one more modifier, that is face extrude. Yeah, and here we add a twist and we get angle 60 degrees to the building, and this finds really very good. Jiggly wiggly looking building with openings. This is the final result for the jiggly wiggly looking building. Thank you.